Hey, and welcome back to another episode of George's Garage. So, I've been starting on taking apart the inside in here. You can see, got the center consoles out. This is all, you know, really loose now. We'll finish getting that out. And then, I think, well, nice and windy out there today. Then I think we'll pop the windscreen out. And then we'll just get the rear doors, rear windows out. I think I can probably just leave the roof lining, like the head lining, and we'll just keep taking it all apart. So I've got the main dash wooden piece out and the steering wheel. See it's here. But this is the reason I'm removing all the dashes. I don't actually need any of these wires anymore, and rather than just trying to like work with what's there, I figure it's just as easy to replace it all. You know, it's just miles of the stuff that I don't really know what half of it's for, so easier to just get rid and start fresh. So I've gotten half the wiring out, you can see, which will bear. Now we just have this big nest of wires to deal with. You know, you got all the fuses and everything on that side, so getting there though. So got the wiring out the front finally. Yeah, nice and clear. Still got to get the steering column and bits out, but all the wires out here. It's a fair old bundle of them, but I guess we continue stripping and we'll take the wires going backwards to the rear area. That's, you know, that's where the battery was, so there's a lot of wires going that way on this car. And just keep going from there. So I've been working on the car for a few hours today in the spare time, and you see, most of the dashboard's out. You know, obviously, big array of tools for all the million different fasteners, but we've got nice air conditioning now. But we're getting there with it all. It's all out. It's the heater box all out on this side, so got a bit of a collection of bits kind of growing everywhere now. So just got to work our way backwards, but that's about everything in the front done now. So, got a bit of snow today. Don't know how well the camera picks it up, but you can see it starting to build up a little bit, but windscreen's out. Everyone said there'll be little clips and seals, it'll be screwed in at the top and things like that. Didn't have anything, it just pulled straight out. Just gave it a little cut and out it popped. So, we're pretty much there at the front, but I've been doing a little bit of research, and you can see the car's sealed along the seam here. I don't know if it's going to be possible to like peel the wing off, you know, if it was to be cut along there, obviously in one piece, but if we can get it off, because we've got a wide arch anyway, it might be easier to pull it off there. But a bit of research to do, but it'll make it easier if I can move around half the car at a time and the front end's gone. So got the rear diff out the back finally. Much more space to go in, get the cross member. Let's see, cross over here. See the size of it. It's not a little one. Got both rear doors off. So just the cross member, and then we can take it out the garage. So just about to get the cross member out. Just cutting off the last. Are you through?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going down. And boom. Oh, my jack's stuck, but it's out. It's free. Boom. So, while I've been taking apart the rear end here, you know, getting it all apart, get bits sold, my friend's been here taking apart out like the rear lights, and now we're just working on getting the rear bumper out. So I think this is where I'm probably going to end this episode. We got quite a bit of work done, but it's just about ready to come out of the garage now. As you see, that's the floor and the back cut out. See, what we were doing, we were removing the rear bumper, but to get to it, there's a bracket in the side, and with it being completely rusted on this car, you had to go underneath there. I would figure the boot floor's got to come out anyway, we might as well just cut it away to get access underneath there. So, just whip that one out. But we've got these struts left which have a collar inside of them, which I don't have the special Rolls-Royce tool for removing. So I think we're just gonna cut the strut tower like there and there, and then just, you know, peel it back and it'll come out, because I can't keep the towers anyway. But then, because they're the, you know, lowest point on the car, I've been held up with a jack there, but then I just got to clean everything out, put all the stuff ready for when it has to go back in, and then drag her out, basically. But, you know, just piles and piles of like bits that I don't need anymore. All the windows, bumpers, diffs. So it's getting there though. Might take the headlining out before I take the car out, but I think we'll end it here. But if we can like, comment and subscribe, it'd be appreciated. Thank you.